Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today's video is all about one of the most exciting developments we've seen in the camera world this year, DJI's upcoming 360-degree camera, the DJI Osmo 360. After months of speculation, we finally have solid details, images, and even a look inside the device. Whether you're a content creator, tech enthusiast, or drone fan, you're going to want to hear this. DJI enters the 360-degree arena late last year. Rumors began swirling that DJI was working on its own 360 camera to rival big names like GoPro Max and Insta360. But now, things are heating up. Thanks to recent FCC filings and leaked documents, we have a close look at what could be DJI's next big innovation. The leaked photos aren't your typical low-res rumors. These are clear, high-quality images that show the camera from multiple angles. The Osmo 360 looks compact, sleek, and modern, with dual wide-angle lenses that give off serious 360-degree capture vibes. It's clear DJI is aiming to compete at the top level. A peek inside. Smart engineering choices, one particularly interesting. Discovery comes from teardown photos that reveal how DJI is designing the internals. Much like the Insta360 X3, the Osmo 360 appears to use a clever mirror-based system that redirects light into the sensors using a 45-degree mirror. This allows DJI to fit premium components into a smaller chassis, ideal for action content. Creators who need portability without compromising quality. This shows DJI isn't reinventing the wheel, but instead refining proven technologies in a thoughtful way. By adapting existing techniques, they can optimize the hardware and make it even more efficient. Features, specs, and ecosystem integration. According to the user manual that surfaced, the Osmo 360 will be fully compatible with DJI's Mimo app, giving users control over settings, previews, and editing, all from their phone. Battery-wise, the camera uses a 1950 mAh unit, the same size used in some of DJI's previous devices, suggesting decent power performance. Charging is handled via a 30W USB-C port, which should deliver fast recharging speeds. There's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support, physical control buttons, a responsive touchscreen, and multiple mounting options. Clearly, DJI is designing this to be accessible, modular, and compatible with various filming setups. The holdup. When is it coming? Despite all the leaks, there's a bit of a twist. According to industry insiders, there's no confirmation yet that the Osmo 360 is entering mass production. There are no retail listings or prototype sightings in the wild, and with ongoing trade tensions between major markets, the launch may be delayed longer than expected. This doesn't mean the product is canceled, far from it. But it's a reminder that even the most exciting tech can hit roadblocks before release. Can DJI break into the market? DJI already has a solid track record with action cams and drones, so stepping into the 360-degree camera market makes sense. GoPro and Insta360 currently dominate, but DJI's unique approach and hardware experience give it a solid chance at shaking up the landscape. Whether it's through smoother workflows, creative accessories, or just better image quality, there's real potential for DJI to stand out. Final thoughts. A bold step for the future. The DJI Osmo 360 could very well be the next big thing in immersive content capture. While we wait for official announcements, the leaks give us plenty to be excited about. From compact design to smart engineering and DJI ecosystem support, it's clear this camera has been carefully crafted with creators in mind. Let's hope DJI moves forward with production soon, because the world is ready for a new player in the 360 camera arena.